So, Swamini, I think we will start the session with Gita Dhyanam, as you said, and we'll get into the verses.
Yeah, let me just do the other prayers, which I do normally. And one little thing I'm telling you, one of my Gurujis who lives in Rishikesh, I told him that I'm doing this. So he has sent a message, not just for me, but for everybody. It just takes a minute. I'll play and then we'll start the class. And let me do the Ganesh Vandana and all. Everybody can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. ॐ गणानान्तां गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनश्चन्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजनीवती धीनामभित्र्यवतु वाग्देव्यै नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। Namaste to everybody, and we will do Gita Dhyanam. I don't think we can do whole Gita Dhyanam today. Since it's the first day, we will do the first verse, second verse, and the last 8 and 9. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam. Vandanji, I don't see the Gita Dhyanam. Hello?
I didn't paste it.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitaamritavarshiniim Bhagavatiim Ashtadashaadhyayiniim Amba Tvamanusandathami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshiniim Namostute Vyasavishala Buddhe Pullaravindayatapatra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha प्रज्वाल्वितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः मूकं करोति नंबर 8 मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगुणा देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः। We are back here for the second session of satsang. And as I told you, let me just play this message by one of my Guruji who lives in Rishikesh, but who has sent a message for everybody. Please pay attention. He has sent a beautiful message.
Blessed students, I am very happy that you are all listening to the teaching of Bhagavad Gita from Sri Swamini Vedavedyananda Ji. She is a great teacher. Gita gives you everything. The chanting of Gita gives you punya. The Karma Yoga part of the teaching gives you the knowledge of how to live through the day-to-day life, which seemingly has a lot of struggles. Without getting affected, you can live your life with the knowledge of Karma Yoga and practicing it. Bhagavad Gita also gives you the ultimate vision of yourself that frees you from the bondage of your life of becoming, a life of helplessness, a life of limitations, and so on. Don't miss any class. I wish you all success in your pursuit. Om.
Could you hear, Vandanji?
Yes.
Okay. Was it clear?
Yes, it was loud and clear.
Oh. Okay. So we are again back here for the next satsang. After this, there will be 2 more, as we had decided. I decided that we will do some important verses from chapter 1 and chapter 2. The decision I made because first I was going to do the 8 verses selected, but the 8 selected verses from different chapters would not be right now suitable because we are just starting. So I decided in this way we'll get a good introduction of Tvampada, which I said in the beginning, that first 6 chapters out of 8 chapters is called a Tvampada. And so I do today 1 and 2, then next Saturday I will summarize chapter 3 and 4, and the next following Saturday I'll try to summarize 5 and 6. That will complete first 6 chapters. And further on we'll see whatever Bhagavan decides, we'll go from there. But before I proceed really to the verses, I will make a small request. Studying Gita is a commitment. Have to do it with a Shraddha and Bhakti. I told you last time it's a Panchama Veda, it's a Moksha Shastra. The whole pursuit of the study of Gita, there has to be some intellectual honesty to study. It is for the spiritual growth. It's not for academic education. Knowing some verses and meanings is not the only purpose. After knowing the verses, one has to understand, internalize, assimilate, just like Arjuna did, and apply into the personal life to achieve the final goal of bandhanivritti, freedom from bondage of samsara while you are living here. The final goal has to be I am Aham Brahmasmi or I am Atma Brahma. This is a matter of understanding, not a matter of faith. Swami Dayananda ji used to say, we need teachers, not preachers. A preacher makes you believe, and a teacher makes you understand. Our Sanatana Dharma is not a faith to believe. It is a religion. It's a meaningful religion, and hence we have to understand what is the real meaning of Aham Brahmasmi or Tattvamasi or words like that. And he used to explain in this way, when we say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, it is a fact. It's not a belief. You have 4 things, you set aside 2 things on one side and put 2 things on other side, bring it together, that makes it 4. So 2 plus 2, 4 is a fact, it's not a belief. And same way, when the Shastra tells you, I'm Brahmasmi, or I am Atma Brahma, it is a fact. It's a matter to understand. It's not a belief. It's an issue of learning these facts from someone who can unfold the scriptures to you, make you understand why you are a Brahman. You know, everybody knows I'm an Atma, and people always hear also that Atma and Paramatma, Aikyam, Jivatma, Paramatma, Ekta, and all these words we have been hearing here and there, being a Hindu in our homes or somewhere, some lectures. But how to get to that, the scriptures have to be unfolded to you by someone. One time, Bhagwan Ram, just to test Hanumanji, asked him, "Who are you really?" Hanumanji's answer was, "Deha buddhya dasosmam, jiva buddhya twadamshakam, atma buddhya tvameham." If you are asking me from the point of view of body, I am your servant, Deha buddhya. Jiva buddhya, from the point of view of jiva, I am a part of you. Atma buddhya, when it comes to the Atma, me and you are one. That was Hanumanji's answer. So he knew the difference between Deha, Atma, and Jiva. Hanumanji was supposed to be a very brilliant and buddhishali, we used to call Medhavi. I hope we are as clear as Hanumanji. Coming to the Gita verses, the Gita starts in chapter 1, Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta, Yuyutsavaha, Mamakaha, Pandavaschaiva, Kimakurvata, Sanjaya. Sanjaya and Dhritarashtra, there are 4 main characters in chapter 1 and all along. Bhagwan Sri Krishna, Arjuna, Dhritarashtra, and Sanjaya. And after he asked this question, we see that Dhritarashtra had lot of attachment for his son. That is why he uttered the word Mamakaha, my people. What did my people